In this video, I am going to create a new window and make it a component, as well as show you how to add a fade-in, fade-out effect to a sprite. What we need to do first is right-click on App and select Quick Create, then New Controller. I'm going to name this controller Fader. I'm now going to create an empty sprite and call it SPR Base, and then create a child sprite of this and name it SPR Dice and add the dice texture. After this, we're going to go back to the SPR base and fill in the empty value of onInitialDraw in the Properties window with onInitialDraw. You can then launch the IDE. We are then going to right-click on the Fader folder in Project and select Turning to Component. A new window will pop up like this for us to fill in. First we need to click Add New Link. Then under Property we need to put Speed. Under Type we need to select Int, and under Default we need to put var, VAR, :1000, because that's the speed the fade is going to happen. When Visual Studio loads, we can then get into the code by going to Hello, which is the name of this project, header files, and then fader.h. Now there's a lot of code to write in both here and fader.cpp, but we're going to start with the header file and then move on to there. To get to faders.cpp file, you need to click on Source Files and then select fader.cpp. As you can see, I've been checking the code as we go. After this, you need to go back to MobileMill and drag your fader file into Scene Manager to make the animation work. Press Save after you've done this on MobileMill and then go back to Visual Studio and save there as well before clicking on Local Windows Debugger or pressing F5 to see the animation work. If the speed is too fast or too slow, you can then go back onto MobileMill and edit the component settings to make the fader faster or slower, and you do this by right-clicking on Fader itself. You can also edit the speed of your fader by selecting the fader folder under Scene Manager and going into Properties. You will see there is a property called Speed and you can change the value here, so I'm going to slow the fader down.